Hi, what's up guys? It's Yogi Steve, Outlier Scooters. So both my main scooters are down. My Irby has a flat and my Outlier scooter, I'm doing some upgrades on the brakes, so I actually do not have my own scooter right now. So I'm gonna go rent 2 scooters at least. I'm gonna rent the wheels, which are the sit down scooters. They look like little bicycles. Those are pretty cool. And I'm gonna rent either a Lime or a Bird. I brought my helmet because I'm not trucking around. I think stand-up scooters are basically dangerous. So here we go. Wheels. I knew I would find a wheels first. Look how they got this shit locked down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. More than a dozen bikes just ready to go. I'm gonna try this blue bike right here. I'm absolutely shocked at these things. I looked it up, are 35 cents a minute. That's fucking crazy. I gotta go to the bank and I ain't walking. So brand new, before I get on any scooter, I check the brakes, make sure they're working. This has got front brakes and rear brakes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Accelerator, twist to go. Does it work? Come on. It's not working. Now it works. Alright, that's pretty cool. Let's go. That's why these things suck. They cannot go up hills. I do not want to walk. I got all this ice cream, and it's been my experience that even walking is slower than what I'm doing right now. But I'm going to turn here on Hollywood and go downhill.
Okay guys, thank you very much for following my channel. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'm looking forward to making more great electric scooter content for you. Thank you very much.